Do you like broccoli? I love broccoli. I like broccoli raw. Any way I can get it, I love broccoli. Crispy on the outside and nice and tender inside with the broccoli and the cheese. My daughter used to put the broccoli under her plate and she wouldn't eat it. So now I figured out a way to make her eat her broccoli when she was little. I would say I would make it in a wrap with cheddar cheese and she loved it. I got these organic egg rolls. You want broccoli that's tight on the top. And this is tight. Smells like broccoli. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the broccoli to this. Add the cheese. And then we're going to roll it. Whoa, it gets caught in my hands. So, bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Ankle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're going to do something fun. And by fun, I mean fun. So, grab a cup of coffee and I'll tell you what you're going to use. Do you like broccoli? I love broccoli. I like broccoli raw. Any way I can get it, I love broccoli. But some people don't. And my kids, they didn't like broccoli, so sometimes, you put cheddar cheese on it. But this is really good because I buy organic whenever I can. Whoa, and I got these organic egg rolls. And cheddar cheese. I got two kinds. And, of course, broccoli. I look like a flower girl. And you want broccoli that's tight on the top. And this is tight. Smells like broccoli. Not like flowers, but, it almost looks like a bouquet, doesn't it? But really, my daughter used to put the broccoli under her plate. And she wouldn't eat it. So now I figured out a way to make her eat her broccoli when she was little. I would say I would make it in a wrap with cheddar cheese, and she loved it. And I think you'll love it too, and your kids will just eat it up. So come on into my kitchen and let's make a broccoli wrap that you're gonna love. I guarantee it. So I'm gonna add some olive oil to this broccoli, and we're gonna put it in the oven, the toaster oven, for a few minutes, just to get it soft. Just sprinkle that on. And you want to get that soft. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of adobo and spice to this. Just a little bit. And we're going to pop it in our oven at 350 for about 8 minutes or so. I softened the broccoli and got it a little bit soft. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the broccoli to this. And I'm just going to show you today, and then we're going to add the cheese. And you can pack it as much as you want. And then we're going to roll it. Whoa, it gets caught in my hands. And we're going to roll it like so, and fold this over one, and fold this over two. And we're going to place it in our Pyrex. And we'll do another, and I have it doubled. I like these doubled. I don't really like it just single, because I like it to be, pretty. And I took the broccoli tops off, and of course I'm going to not waste the bottom of the broccoli. I'll make something else. But I just wanted the broccoli tops for this. And let's add a little bit more cheese. Make it real cheesy. And fold it over. You can stuff these really good, which I like. And that and that. And we're going to pop this in the oven with some olive oil. Put the olive oil, and we're going to just drizzle the olive oil on there, all around. And we're going to pop that in the oven until it becomes a little bit crispy. That's why you want the olive oil on there as well. So we'll come back Probably about 10 minutes, and we'll see how it looks. So we're done. Crispy on the outside and nice and tender inside with the broccoli and the cheese. You can even smell the cheese. So we're in for a treat, and I know you're going to want to try it as well. So I hope you made yours to try it with me. So are you ready to try it with me? Sure you are. Let's try it. Look at it, the inside is so nice. The broccoli and the cheese. Let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Crispy on the outside, delicious inside. Mmm. It is so good. I just love it. Mmm. I hope I don't have broccoli on my teeth though when I say goodbye. I won't smile, okay? Because, anyway, thanks for stopping in Annie's Angle. Make this. You'll love it. Your kids will love it. They'll be like, Mom, can you make this a lot? You know, you can freeze it. What I would do is I would prepare it, make the broccoli, soften the broccoli, prepare it, wrap it. Don't put any oil on it. Just after you wrap it, freeze it, and then take it out and put some olive oil on it, put it in the oven. I actually had it in the oven for about 25 minutes because it got crispy on the outside and done inside. So that's kind of what you want to do. So like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Come again. We'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm going to have a fitness instructor. I like crafts, talks, everything. But most of all, I like being with you. So come again and have a real nice day. Bye-bye for now.